Hello, everybody. It's Professor Ken, and this video is a continuation for January 24th. I'm going to show you how to use the Gizmo in case you are worried. All right, so let me share my screen. And now I'm going to turn off my video so my good looks don't distract you. All right, so if we go to, I'm going to click reset. All right. If we go to this Gizmo, the default would be catch the ruler with no sound. And you have to have that default on no sound to begin with. And it says catch the ruler 5 times. So here's what you need to do. Put one hand on the space bar and click, or it doesn't even need to be the space bar. It could be any key on your keyboard. But click begin. After I click begin the experiment, the ruler is going to drop. And once it drops, I'm going to use the space bar, and it's going to show how far the ruler fell before I hit the space bar, before I hit any key. And I'm going to do 5 trials, and then I'm going to click end the experiment. So I'm going to click on begin. 20 was my first trial. 22. I'm not very good at this. 16. Oh yeah, getting better. 22 again. And 24. Okay, so now I'm going to click end the experiment. And as you can see, here's my data: 16, 20, 22, 22, and 24. It's from smallest to largest. If I want to do it in the order that it occurred, I would click on this circle right here, and that's the order it occurred. My display is in a list, but we could also do it in a table. We see we've got a 1 here for 16 and a 1 here for 20, okay, etc. We could do it in a dot plot. Isn't that cool? So 1 dot for 16, okay, etc. Or we could do it in a bar graph. All right, now I could turn my statistics off or turn them on. If I turn them on, it gives me my mean because that's what's selected over here. I could give the range. So my biggest value was 24. My smallest value was 16. So my range is 8. You'll give the mode. What the number that appears the most times was 22. And I like my little dot plot. You can give the median, which is the number in the middle, which is also 22. If you line them up from smallest to biggest, it would be the third one. And then, of course, the mean we saw before was 20.8 inches. All right, so now we could click a new experiment. We're catching it with sound. Watch what happens here. Begin the experiment. So it makes a little sound before it falls. Okay, etc. I'm going to end the experiment. But that's all you really need to know how to do for this Gizmo. Now, when we go to activity A, it says click begin the experiment and catch the ruler 5 times. You need to write down each result. Then select catch the ruler with sound. What do you think is going to how that will affect your results? Okay, so then you just interact with the Gizmo in sections A, B, and C. So there's 4 sections of the student exploration. There's the introduction that before you launch the Gizmo. There's activity A, activity B, and activity C. Then you would save it as a PDF. How do you do that? You hit File, Download, and PDF. And it would save over here. It actually saves it as a PDF for you so that you can submit it. All right. Let me stop my share video so you can see me again, in case you forgot what I look like. So once again, this is Professor King showing you how to use the Gizmo called something reaction, and it's about statistics. So very good. Professor Ken signing off. Ciao.